High Leveler, Star here. I'm so excited to talk to you about reputation management. If you're an agency and you're running reputation management campaigns for your clients, you're going to want to tune into this video. If you're a business who's looking to get more reviews for your business, I'll be showing you how you can collect emails from multiple platforms within one single email. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Once you're on the sub-account level, we're just going to scroll down to reputation. Once you click on reputation, you're going to see an option for settings. Let's select settings. Once you've selected that, you'll scroll down on the left-hand side to email requests. Once you've selected email requests, you're going to see an option to create new. Now you can actually create a new template or you can import from template library. Let's go ahead and check out the library. So go ahead and find an email template that you like. I'll go ahead and choose this template since it's related to review requests. It's going to go ahead and add this template. Now, once you've added your template, you're just simply going to go ahead and on the left-hand side, check out the elements option. You'll see an option for review link. All you're going to do is just grab that review link and add it to your email template. This will include platforms such as Google and Facebook. Now, once you've made that selection, you can actually select those review links. Now, it's important to note that I've already integrated Google as well as Facebook, but you can also add a custom link by selecting the Add Custom Link option. All you're going to do is just change the text on the button to what you'd like it to say and add your URL and hit save. Now you'll see all of these options available. If I want to add them to my email template, I'll just go ahead and check the box next to each one, and those will also be added. Now, if you also want to change the text on the Google and Facebook platform requests, you can also do so by clicking on the pencil icon. So here you can go ahead and edit the default text and add the text message that you would like to add. Then go ahead and save. So you'll now see that on my email template, the text has been updated. So go ahead and add your review links. If you have custom ones that you want to add, you can do that as well. And then you're just going to go ahead and save that template. So now that we've saved the template, you'll see in the email requests that they'll be listed below. You'll also have the option on the right to click on the three dots. Here you can preview and edit details. You can actually edit the template. You can clone or restore or delete any of the messages that you have here for your email requests. So I want to note that you can actually rearrange the order of the review request platforms that you have listed in your email templates. Go ahead and start increasing the number of reviews and increasing the review platforms that you're receiving reviews on for your clients or for your business today.